Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Airtable interfaces for web data UX step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website. Log into your Airtable account. Select the base that contains the data you want to use. Click on the Interfaces option located in the left sidebar. Choose the interface you wish to download. If you haven't created one yet, click on the Create an Interface button. After selecting an existing interface, click on Edit. Review the interface to ensure it displays the desired information. In the top right corner, look for the Download option. Click on Download. Select the format you prefer for the download, such as PDF or CSV. Confirm your selection to begin the download process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to review your data. Ensure that all necessary elements have been properly exported. Return to Airtable if you need to make any adjustments. Make any necessary changes to your interface. Repeat the download process if you updated any data. Now you have successfully downloaded your Airtable interface for web data UX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.